Much, John. We're also following breaking news out of Canton for you today at 12. Dozens rescued after severe flooding swept across the southern part of Canton. 12 News' LANAYA Lewis has been following this story all morning long. She joins us now live from Canton. Good afternoon, LANAYA.
Hey, good afternoon, Andrew. We followed the Canton Fire Department all morning long as they rescue people stranded in their homes. But before we take a look at that video, just go ahead and take a look behind me. All of this water is from the past 24 hours. It's not from a river. It's not from a lake. It's from that rain water. Now, let's go ahead and look at that video from earlier today. Most of the people rescued were senior citizens who were blind or couldn't even walk at all across the area of Cameron Street, Hickory, and 3rd Street. We spoke to members of the community who expressed their frustrations about the flooding and city leaders.
It gets like this. This is worse it gets now, but it's still bad. You got water everywhere. You can't do anything. You got to come out the house with boots on. It's ridiculous. The drainage system is stopped up. All the aldermen say, "Y'all promise we're going to clean out the ditches. We're going to do this here. We're going to do that there." Nobody does anything.
Now, the good news is that no one was hurt during these rescues or anyone here along these streets. But there is a question that still remains. Will there be any shelter for people that were affected by these floodwaters? I have reached out to the city of Canton, but I am waiting to hear back. We will continue to follow this developing story on air and online. Live in Canton, LANAYA Lewis, 12 News.
All right, LANAYA, thanks for all you do out there. Remember, you can find the latest severe weather information by downloading our free 12 News weather app that is available in the App Store and in Google Play. And